Hey y'all, it's Diane with Shellcraft One and my old barn door and barn door treasures on eBay and Digital Diane Designs on Etsy for digitals only. And I am working on a series of journals. These are French style flip-flop journals, and I'm calling this my Sweet Romance collection, which I thought would be kind of fitting since Valentine's Day is coming up. And so I've gotten a pretty good start on them. Oh, by the way, how are y'all? I hope you're doing well. I have missed y'all. I know I am not being able to get many videos out right now. And I thank y'all for being patient with me. Still real busy with lots of doctor's visits and nurses visits and physical therapy for Mom. But I'm hoping that's going to slow down in the next week or so. We'll see. She does have an appointment on Valentine's Day, bless her heart, to go and have a lung scan done and some testing and things like that. So it's going to be kind of a long day. And I told her, kind of made a joke out of it and told her that her doctor could be her Valentine for the day. So anyways, so I hope that you all are doing well, and I appreciate you being patient with me. So I am working on these Sweet Romance journals. I've got a couple of the skinnier ones and then one of the little bit wider ones that I use the larger envelopes with. So they're in the process, and still got a long way to go on them, but hoping that I can get them finished and be able to get them out to you before Valentine's Day. Now, these are not Valentine journals. They can be used at any time of the year, but if you want them for February, because they're, kind of romantic and all that good stuff, I will try to have them done before then so that you can have them in time for February. So anyways, the whole point today is I need to make some tags to go in them. So I'm going to make some tall skinny tags because, I just need tags to put in and really pretty tags. So I thought I would just turn the video on and play some music and make some tags with y'all. I have these little strips of coffee dyed papers that I had taken off of. I have some of the really long coffee dyed paper, and sometimes I don't need them that long. So, I didn't want to waste the strips because these are good tag bases. So I thought we could use these and make some tags out of them. So I'm just going to turn the camera on and let it play while I create and make those. I'm not going to talk through it because honestly, I really don't feel very good today. I'm migraine stupid today, so y'all bear with me. Migraine syndrome is not my friend today. Not being very nice to me, so just not feeling great. So I thought, well, I'll just turn the video on while I'm making, and maybe I won't make too many mistakes. And I'll just let some music play. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you grab your stuff and make some really pretty tags along with me.